Is this camera on? Is it on? Oh. Yep, it's on. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all do not know, I am Sydney, and we are outside because we're on the stairs, so I have to bend down a little bit. But we're outside because we're gonna test this thing if it could actually go in the grass. So we also have this. To go forward, you press this. To go backward, you go like this. To go side, you go like this. To go the other side, you go like that. And there's an on button on this, on and off on this, and there's an on and off on the remote control car. So we are gonna bring this stuff down. So let's do it. Okay. So let's go. Okay, so first, I already know you could go on these rocks. Sorry if it's so sunny outside. It's just like so sunny outside. So we've got it down. We've got hold on, I'm holding it upside down. So we've got the remote control car, and now we need to turn this stuff on. Turn it to on, and then let's flip this car over and turn it to on. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, we're just gonna go on the rocks right now. I know it could go on the rocks. Easy to go in the rocks. Okay, so we're gonna set y'all guys right here. Y'all see it? Y'all see me? I think y'all see me. I don't know. Okay, so let's start. These rocky hills also. Oh, it's so loud out here. So I'm gonna pick y'all up and show y'all how it goes over these rocky hills. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna go in the shade and take basically an adventure over here. So that's the grass over there. And this is what I'm talking about by hills. It's just little hills that it could go over, and then the hills get even bigger. Y'all see that big one right there? That's what I have not tested. But we're gonna get the remote control car to come over here. Oh no, we don't want it in the road. Let's try it again. Perfect. Hi, remote control car. So, we're gonna angle it. Turn it a little bit. Okay, I think that's a good angle. So we are going to see this remote control car could go over this hill, and if it can, I don't know if it's going to be able to go over this grass and over that grass. That's a long grass over there. I'll zoom in for y'all. It's pretty long over there, but we are going to be seeing if this, here let's zoom out a little bit, this remote control car could go over that. Are y'all ready? I'm going to back up for this. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Woo! It did! little test. This is like the Share Guinea green. Okay, comment down below your a good name for this. Okay? So it does say fast lane on it. So I don't know what that means. We're gonna see if that means it could go in the grass. I don't think it would, but let's go get it. Okay. Okay. So we are going to test it. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, ready? So we're gonna go in the short grass right now. You could barely see the grass because it's so like little. So let's test that first. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna turn it. Whoa, okay, ready? Okay. Y'all ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Okay. That's kind of short grass. It's kind of long. It goes kind of like a little slow. But hey, it's good. Now the real test to see if it could actually go in that long grass. Y'all ready? Okay, y'all ready? It's already a little stuck in this grass. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, how about, I have an idea. We're gonna get it starting going fast in this really little grass. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. That really goes in there really well. Okay, ready? We're gonna try it again. There's longer grass that I'm gonna try to aim for. Which is, okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. Well, when it stops, so when it's going in the short grass, it goes like really far. Like it goes from here all the way over here. Then it starts to get a little slower, really slow, and then it stops at this point where there's like, watch, I'll tear a piece of grass out. Look how long it is. So that's probably why it's getting stuck. And there's one that is this long. Look at that. It's way up here. So it's pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like the best. Yeah, it gets stuck right in there. And actually, stay tuned for the next video because I am going to be going to Dili. I'm not promising, but I actually might take a video in there because I'm seeing my grandma and stuff. But yeah, so make sure you like this video and subscribe and turn on the post notification bells to be notified every time I post a video. Let's go. Let's go inside. try going under the car. No, I'm not going to. Actually, that's another person's car. It's not ours. So.